Are you the type that don't like Mondays? Today is Monday motivation. You can't wait till the weekend gets here. But when Monday comes, you just feel some type of way. Here's my advice. Change your perspective. Monday is the beginning of the week. Monday is a day to refresh. Gather your thoughts. How do you prepare yourself from Monday mornings? Especially if you have to, you have to get the kids out the way. But once you walk into the office or walk to your desk if you work from home, what are things that you do to start your day off? Like, I encourage you to write 10 things down in the morning before you start your day. Throughout your day, write 5 more things that has encouraged you throughout the day to make it from 8 a.m. to lunchtime. And then after that, you want to see if the things that you wrote down are uplifting your spirits. So we always look at Mondays, it's like, oh, it's so much to do on Monday. I just don't feel like doing none of it, right? Like, we just don't want to do nothing, but you got to go. You got to do something. My thing is changing perspective. Change your perspective. I used to be one of those that like, oh, I hated Mondays, but I realized that when you say that, you're speaking things into existence, so your day is going to go just like you wanted it to go, which was, oh, I don't like Mondays. So change your perspective and utilize Mondays as a day to get things done, to tackle those tasks that you need to tackle, one thing at a time, one priority at a time. Monday motivation. Write down all the things that encourage you, that uplift you, that enlighten you, that bring you into a better headspace, especially coming out for the weekend. If you didn't rest and relax over the weekend, then of course you're not gonna like Mondays because you did too much. But if you was able to relax and relate and release and let it go and let it flow, then Mondays should be a joy. Every day should be a joy. So I am just coming to you guys just to let you know that it's okay. It's Monday. You know how many people I sit around and watch that don't even get up and start their day at all? I see it. I'm sure you do too. But we have to encourage one another and let each other know that we got stuff to do out here. And Monday is the day to get to it. Get to it. Jumpstart your day, command your morning. Say that I will do all things through Jesus Christ who strengthens me. God, what we doing? Lead me and guide me in the way in which you want me to go. Give me divine ideas, divine strategy. You don't have to if you're just someone who don't really have anything going on, I'm going to send this message out to those who are still searching and still looking and still trying to find out what your purpose is or what it is that you want to do in life. Instead of worried about your circumstances, your situations and circumstances, write it down. I'm telling you, it helps. Get your pen and a piece of paper and write it down. You are talented, you are skilled, and you should be able to utilize them for your higher good. So, with that being said, utilize Mondays as a day to restructure, to recharge, and get your day going and get the week going so that the rest of the week can flow. Wake up early, you know, earlier than you usually do, and set your brain to the task that you know that you have. Ask God to come into your task. Ask Him to help you plan and execute everything, everything. Invite Him into your conscious mind. He will do it. Y'all have a good day and good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, joy. Good morning, peace. Good morning, love. Good morning, happiness. Good morning, good morning, good morning. By the way, make sure you check out A Guide to Peace. There's a link in my bio description box, or you can check out my community tab as well, for A Guide to Peace for those who peace be being disturbed on Mondays, especially if you work around a lot of people. going inside the office, call center environments, warehouses, you know, things where you're around a lot of people. There are plenty of scriptures over there to lead you throughout the day. A Psalms a day keeps the devil away. Okay?